Hey Joe, this is Tyler with Leads by Lordi. I wanted to make this video for you and give you a plan that you could start implementing right away in order to start outranking some of your competitors online and bringing in some more customers for your business. So I have your website pulled up here and it looks good, but the first thing I noticed was that it's not secure. So when somebody types in your website, or if they come across it online, they might not be able to get to it if they have something blocking that, which a lot of people do. All right, so I want to get that fixed, and we want to show people that our site is secure. Next thing I want to talk about is content, and with Google, content's king. They like to see anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on that homepage alone, and what that's going to allow you to do is rank for specific keywords relating to your services, such as tax preparation Philadelphia, payroll services Philadelphia, accounting services Philadelphia, whatever it might be. So we want to add in as much content as possible, encompassing all your services and really showing people what your business is all about. And then as far as these back pages, the About Us is pretty good, but these service pages, we want to definitely get into more depth, okay, and put in maybe 500 to 1,000 words of content, because we can rank for these back pages as well. It's not just your home page. All right, so if someone types in specifically tax preparation services Philadelphia, right, you can get them to this page rather than just your home page, and they can get right to where they need to go. So I pulled up a report of your website in a tool we use called Ahrefs, okay, and it shows you the rank, it shows you the UR and the DR, which is just the trust and the power of your backlink profile. And what a backlink is, really quick, is just a vote of confidence from a website to another. All right, showing that the site it's pointing to is trustworthy and it has the relevant content that someone is looking for. All right, so it looks like you have one domain here pointing back to your site with 3 backlinks. All right, and there's not much going on elsewhere. So what I did was I pulled up a report or a website of one of your competitors, Accounting Philadelphia, and I pulled up their report as well, which we'll get into. But I wanted to show you kind of what they have going on and why they're ranking #1 on Google. So you can see here right away their header, their name, everything is Accountant Philadelphia. So that's helping them because that's a big keyword, which we'll dive into. They have their contact form right up front. Click the call button. And then as we scroll down, you can see their services, and they've got loads and loads and loads of content, right? I'm scrolling for a while here, and you can just see all the content they have on their site. So we definitely want to utilize that tip of adding in more and more content, not only to your homepage, but your back pages as well. All right, so let's pull up their report. You can see their rank a lot better with their UR and the DR higher. They have 52 sites pointing to theirs with 158 backlinks. All right, and they're ranking for 98 keywords based off of the content on their site. So let's jump into those keywords, kind of see what they have, and we're going to rank them positionally here. So Philadelphia accountant in Philadelphia. And you can see here it's duplicated a couple times because it's on different pages. It's not just one page. Accounting Philadelphia, PA, right? And look at the volume here, right? That's searches a month from people looking on Google. Philadelphia accounting. So add up a lot of these searches, right? Tax accountant Philadelphia, 100 search volume. What would a couple hundred searches a month to your website do for your business, right? I would imagine you can convert a lot of those into customers.
Here's the top search result.
So I'm going to pull up one more. Here's Dale's Tax Service, okay? And you got a pretty basic website here, not a ton of content, on the homepage for this one, but yeah, they're still ranking on that first page, all right? They have, their About Us, their services, their blog, financial tools, directions, right? Excuse me. And then when you click on these services, they have a bunch of different services. There it goes. It's not easy to pop up. There it goes. So you can see all the services, and we click on one, they've got a little bit more information on on each page. And they have links here. If you click, this is going to take you to a different page as well, maybe some resources. All right, so let's pull up their report. See their rank, their UR and their DR. The DR is pretty low here, and I'm guessing that's because of the ratio between the referring domains and the backlinks. Okay, so they have 114 domains, but 2,000 backlinks, right? So that kind of shows that they might be not high quality. So if we come down here, we can see most of their backlinks are in this 0 to 10 rating. So we would definitely want to go after high quality backlinks. All right, so we talked about content adding in to the home page and to the back pages, right, ranking for these keywords, and you can see, they have 787 keywords that they're ranking for based off of all the resources and content on their site. Okay, we talked about high quality backlinks, and the last thing I want to touch upon is citations. And what a citation is your name, your address, and your phone number listed in business directories online, such as Yellow Pages, right? And what that's going to do is it's going to increase your Google My Business listing. And not only that, we want to make sure the listing's optimized as well. So if you jump in here, we can see your listing, and there's not much going on. You don't have a ton of pictures, so we definitely want to add in pictures, of your services, your team, your facility, whatever it might be, to get people, taking a look at your listing. And then we want to make sure, you have your hours listed, which it doesn't look like you do. We can add those in. You have your phone number and your address, which is good, and then you have your website linked. Okay. The last thing is the description. And again, this is a mini website pretty much. You want to put, as much content on it as you can and rank for more keywords as well. That way, when we're typing in, a keyword such as accountant Philadelphia, and we'll get back here in a second. We'll just go right into Google, accountant Philadelphia. All right. It's going to take us to the map pack right away. All right. Sometimes there's an ad section up top. A lot of people skip it. They'll go right into the map pack, right? Because they trust Google's going to send them to the top 3 spots. All right. So you want to definitely build up your citations, build up your Google My Business listing, optimize it to get it into these top 3 spots. And then with the content and the backlinks, that's going to help you get down here into the organic section where you see accountant Philadelphia, and then you see Dale's Tax Service down here, right? And there's Angie's List, there's Philly Mag, Expertise, Yelp. Not a lot of people click on those because they got to click on that link and then another link just to get to, finally a business. So they like to just search through and find the actual businesses to get right to it. So I hope you utilize these tips, for your website. If you need any help, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 267-885-3473. Again, my name's Tyler. Here's my business website, leadsbylordeye.com. I'll talk to you soon.